Hello friends, click on the like button and the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to stay tuned for all my upcoming videos.
Hello friends and welcome to Automove India. I am here with yet another vlog and today I am going to review another luxury brand. The brand which I am talking about is a British brand. I mean was a British brand and now is owned by a German brand, BMW. And the car brand which I am going to review today is the Mini. The vehicle which I am going to review today is none other than the Mini Cooper, and this is the vehicle. And next, let me show you the key straight away, and this is the key of the vehicle. At top post is the button for unlocking the vehicle, and at the middle is the button for locking the vehicle, and at the bottommost is the button for opening the boot. Next, let me open the engine bay of the vehicle. As we open the engine bay, we realize that there's insulation given over here and it gets hydraulic stretch. And as we come below to the engine, this is the engine cover. As you can see, it's beautifully shaped. Mini logo given over here, twin power turbo written over here and Mini written over here again. Next, let's talk about the engine displacement, power and the torque. The engine displacement is 1598 cc, and as we come to the torque and the power, the max power output is 181 bhp at 5500 rpm, and the max torque output is 240 newton meters at 1600 to 5000 rpm. This is the petrol which I am reviewing today. As we have finished talking about the engine displacement, power and torque, now let me close the engine bay. And next, let's head to the design of the vehicle. As we talk about the design, first we'll talk about the above part. First, we'll start with the headlights. These are the headlights of the vehicle. It gets LED DRLs and a projector setup. As we come to the paint, it gets these two stripes to add more sporty look to the vehicle. It gets a hood scoop which adds more sporty look to the vehicle. Mini logo given over here, and as we come below, this is the grille of the vehicle with chrome surrounds around it, S badging given over here, and here is the towing hook of the vehicle, piano black finishing given over here in this part. As we come below, these are the fog lamps of the vehicle which is an all LED unit, and below these are the air intakes for the engine which adds more sporty appeal to the vehicle. The design of the vehicle is absolutely sporty and amazing. It is the cutest vehicle I love. And next, let's move on to the side of the vehicle. As we come to the side, you all know. First, let's take the tire size. The tire size is 205 45 17s. These are 17 inches alloy. It is given in a grey finish which looks good, and the discs are also massive in size. And it gets all black body cladding around it. It gets an indicator on the side and S badging given over here with chrome plating around it. And as we come above, the A pillar is given in piano black finishing which it looks good, and the ORVMs over here is also given in piano black finishing. As we come to the back, this is a two-door vehicle. Another coolest feature is that it is a frameless door and it is a soft top. As we come to the back side, this is the fuel lid, and it is also given in chrome, and the fuel tank capacity happens to be 50 liters. Next, let's move on to the back of the vehicle. The rear windshield gets a defogger and the antenna is placed in the front. As I told you, this is a soft top and this is the high mount stop lamp. Let's talk about the tail lights next. This is an all LED unit with chrome line given around it. Cooper S badging given over here, and here it gets a piano black finishing, mini logo given over here. Underneath it is the reverse parking camera. Towing hook given over here, and the parking sensors are also placed in a very good position over here. As you can see, there are 4 sensors, 1, 2, 3 and 4 on the other side. These are the sporty lights given over here with black surrounds around it, and these are the twin exhausts given in chrome finishing. I think you might have heard the sound of the exhaust. Isn't it superb? Next, let's open the boot of the vehicle. And it opens like this. This is the boot of the vehicle. As you can see, parcel tray given over here at the top, and there's a net kind of thing to keep other stuffs. And the boot is small, but as we recline the seats we can get more spaces. On the other side there's a light. There are 2 levers given on either sides with easy load written on it. This is the button to recline the seats at the front. As we come to the back, the lid, this thing can hold a maximum weight of 80 kgs, 176 lbs. Now let me close the boot of the vehicle. And there you go, the boot is closed. Next, let's head to the back seat of the vehicle. Oh, now I realize that these are 2 seats, and I mean 2 doors. There are 4 seats, but I am not going to take the chance to sit in the back seat. So I'll sit in the front seat. And now I am in the driver's seat of a Mini Cooper. Now we'll talk about the steering of the vehicle. This is a 3-spoke unit with paddle shifters, piano black finishing given over here. As you can see, it is a leather wrapped one. Mini logo given over here with chrome surrounds around it. On the left side is the controls for the cruise control, and the other side is for the media and the phone. This thing is for the wiper, and on the left side is for the indicators. This is the instrument cluster of the vehicle. As you can see, in the center is the speedometer, and in the left is the RPM meter. Below the speedometer is the MID, which shows the fuel, average and other things. These are the controls in the driver door, and you know what is the coolest feature? The door handle. It opens like this. Let me close it now. These are the buttons for locking and unlocking the vehicle. Here it gets a piano black finishing again. Piano black finishing over here also, and these are the controls for the outside rear view mirror and the power windows. It gets one touch up down feature. Let me show you. Like this. So friends, now I am sitting in the driver's seat of a Mini Cooper. I start the vehicle at the last, but today I am going to start the vehicle right now as I am unable to drive and I am under 18 years of age. I will start the vehicle and I will show you the center console of the vehicle. And there you go, it rose to life. Next, let's check the center console of the vehicle. Now we are seeing the dashboard of the Mini Cooper S, and hazard light switch given over here, beautiful lights around it, chrome finishing also given around it, and this is the screen. As you can see, this button is to turn and turn off the screen. Band mode, this is to switch between the songs, as we come below, these are the air conditioning controls which get displaced in the knobs, which is also a beautiful functioning. These buttons are also for the air conditioning, and the another cool feature is that these switches. These are given like aircraft controls. Below, there is a cigarette lighter given over here, USB port and an aux port. Also some space given over here, one cup holder, and on the other side there is a ashtray, as you can see. And this is the lever, automatic transmission of the vehicle. If you switch it to left, it goes into sport mode, and if you put it into right, it goes to green mode. These controls over here, this touchpad, are the controls for the screen. Handbrake given over here. This is not an electronic parking brake. And this is the center armrest, as you can see. It's a very small one. There's not much space inside. Small things can be kept inside. Let's close it now. The inside rear view mirror is not a auto dimming one, unfortunately. Let's check the driver sun visor. It gets a toll receipt holder, and it's a small mirror but no light. The co-driver sun visor over here, small mirror but no light. These things over here, these controls are for the lights. Let me on it. Turns like this. And it's a convertible, as I told you before. Next, let's open the glove box. It's a lockable one, which is a good feature. And there's sufficient space enough. It also gets a light inside the glove box. Let's close it right now. This is the dashboard, as you can see. All black dashboard, piano black finishing with some graphics. As you can see, beautiful finishing. These are the AC vents. On the other side too, those are the AC vents, which is given in a round finishing. These are the seats of the vehicle, as you can see, pure leather seats. It hugs you easily when the vehicle moves. These are the headrests, which is also given in beautiful finishing. And as I told you, it's a pure leather seat. As we come below, this thing is given to add more under thigh support. These are the back seats of the vehicle, as you can see. There is no much leg room because it is a Mini Cooper, and I don't think big adults can sit in the back. Children will be comfortable, and there's another safety feature, that is Isofix child seat mount over here, which is a good safety feature. And the headrests are also adjustable, as you can see. So friends, I hope I have covered the interior and the exterior, and finally my dream has come true to review a Mini Cooper. And that's all. I'm not showing you the convertible because I think it might rain right now and I don't want to take a chance. So I'll show it to you in another vlog maybe. So let me start the vehicle again. And it rose to life. So friends, now we have come to an end of this vlog, but before leaving I have to tell one thing about the Cooper, that this is the sportiest, cutest and the beautiful vehicle I love. But unfortunately I couldn't drive the vehicle. In future I will be thinking to drive this vehicle. And that is all for the vlog today. And if you like my video, please click the like button. And if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for all my upcoming videos. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Corona is still not gone.